Here I have FOSSiBOT F101, and today I'm going to show you how to enable power saving mode on this device. So first let's go to the upper bar, and here you can find the button battery saver. Yeah. So by tap on it once you can switch this mode. By holding your finger on it, you can access some of its settings. For example, you can set up a schedule for it based on percentage. So for example, at like 20% battery, this mode will be enabled automatically. And you can also turn it off automatically when device is above 19% charged. So yeah. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.